Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Marilyn's here and today we're having a new makeup tutorial. I decided that today we're going with a step-by-step makeup tutorial because I know how much struggle it is to want to do makeup but doesn't really know from where to start and where to end and what is going on in the middle. Therefore, I decided to do a simple makeup tutorial step by step for you. Decided to do the retro makeup tutorial since it's really easy to do, and also I know that the holidays are literally coming and I know the feeling when you want to look glam, shaky and everything, but you don't really have time, and plus you don't really have enough imagination to do something glamorous and everything except like throwing some glitter and trying to go with it somehow. Therefore, I want to suggest you a really cool makeup that you can actually do every time you're in a hurry and it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna be really easy to follow, and also it's gonna be with the products that you can find easily in drugstore, not a lot of professional products or anything like that, and it also it's easy to follow. I already said. Therefore, let's start it. But before actually starting, don't forget to subscribe. Also click on the like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification in order to be notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you have any questions or ideas for a video, don't hesitate to comment something under this video. So yeah, let's start.
The first step we will make it is to tighten the hair so it will not bother us. In terms of skin preparation, the first thing is to wipe the skin with a cotton pad soaked into micellar water. This process is important because it ensures that we remove traces of oil and impurities from the skin. The micellar water I use is the one from Nivea. As a base, in a daily makeup, we can use the day cream that suits your skin. But when it comes to the makeup for certain events, then it is better to use a primer. Since we have already prepared the skin, we can apply the foundation. In order to get the desired shade, I use the Hearty foundation from Catrice and the one from Avon, which is flawless. The two foundations were mixed on a stainless steel palette and then I applied it on the skin with a kabuki brush. I tend to mention that I mix these two foundations also because the foundation from the Catrice is more liquid and the one from Avon is denser, so once I mix them I get the desired texture. Next is the application of the concealer. With a flat artificial brush, I apply the concealer from Revolution shade C3 in the lower part of the eye. With the same brush and concealer, I go on the upper part of the eye, i.e. the eyelid, crease, and the arch of the eyebrow. The next step involves fixing creamy texture with dry shadows. For this makeup, I will use the Revolution palette Iconic Fever. With a flat natural brush, I fix the eyebrow arch with shade 2 with a blending brush, and with the shade 3 from the palette, I go in the crease. It is very important to apply enough eyeshadow so that the makeup does not roll. On the mobile eyelid, I apply the shadow number 4, which is also the darkest color of our makeup. After fixing the creamy texture, we take the same blending brush that we use in the crease and we blend the border of shade 3 and 4. And we do the same with the lower lash line. We apply shade number 4 and we blend it with shade 3. We fixed the eye, so now we can move to the face contour. For this I will use the bronze from the Revolution. I start with the low part of the cheekbones, after which I outline the hairline and of course the jawline. One of my favorite steps is to apply blush, because it provides the necessary dose of freshness. I use the liquid blush in the peach shade by Revolution and I double it with a dry blush from Essence. The remaining unfixed areas are simply fixing with powder. Mine was a translucent powder from the Revolution. Until recently I didn't really like this powder, but now I apply it like a powder pressed, so it doesn't give a baking sensation. This time I tried not to waste too much time doing my eyebrows and I just tried to add a pomade where there were missing hairs. I used Ave eyebrow pomade in deep brown shades. Also for eyebrows, I use the fixing gel in shade 4 Ashy Brow to give a little more fixation, but also color. We move back to the eye makeup and we do wings. In order to draw the wings, I use the Liner ink from Essence, and I think it's a very good eyeliner, especially since it's also very cheap. It dries immediately and it's easy to use. The secret though when drawing wings is that the hand should be fixed, either on a table or on something flat and secure. We finished the eye makeup with mascara. Mine is from Marc Jacobs Black Velvet. For a more dramatic effect, you can also add eyelashes, but I didn't do it today. Retro makeup is known for highlighting the lips. The classic option is red lips, but if you want, you can simply put any other bright color. For contouring, I used Red Pencil by Catrice from Velvet Matte series. As for the lipstick, I use a liquid lipstick from Avon from the Mark series in Irresistible shade. And we get the final look.
So guys, that's the look that we got today. This is the retro makeup tutorial that I was really glad to do and I really enjoyed the process. I love this red lips. Like, I usually don't like red lips, but this one is a really good suit, and I don't know, maybe it suits me better right now, but I actually prefer to use some nude colors. But in this look, this is a perfect look for a red lip. Therefore, I'm really glad I did it. We had to struggle a little bit with the wings, but I think the final look is totally worth it. Therefore, yes, I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy the process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also to comment. Bye! See you in next video.